livable lifestyle theme is that you basically just move in. So every facet, from the linens and towels and all of the dishes and glassware, and of course everything that you would need to live in your home, is going to be there. And we've personalized this, so all of those things that are really comfortable for you and your family are the things that we want to surround you with. Atlanta has generally been a residential community of large homes and suburban areas, and now the market has changed, that people are avoiding the traffic and wanting to come into the areas of the city and live here, and obviously now the high-rise development has been a major boom for the market here in Atlanta. Our first project is the Horizon at Wildwood, surrounded by the Chattahoochee, so close to the city of Atlanta, but the moment you go up 4 or 5 floors and get the horizon and the landscape, the coloration of nature is a very important aspect of what we wanted to enhance into our interiors. So bringing the outside into the inside was such an important element in all of the materials that we selected, that they were natural, that they were organic, that they did have that sense of touch, that it felt very natural to be able to see the rock and stone that you would see from the outside, that it was brought into the inside. Through the development of personality, we have developed 14 different lifestyles, from shabby chic to Asian, 14 different lifestyles that people would obviously enjoy themselves in their environment, along with a color palette. And those color palettes are neutrals and primes, pastels, earth tones, and jewel tones.
Atlanta seems to be just now starting to flourish, starting to really develop in this area. There's a lot going on in Atlanta, and it's happening right here in Midtown, and we love it. Jim has been a great partner. We had lots of ideas of what we wanted to do, and Jim has been an extraordinary, he would create synergies with some of the ideas that we would bring in as seeds. He would make them so much better and bigger and a lot more exciting.
And again, from your inspirations from the DeValley tribe, I thought this was a wonderful way to interpret their expression and create a wonderful entrance for us as well.
Midtown especially, and the downtown renaissance, I would say, is bringing people in through high-density residential.
What we wanted to do was bring a little bit of the experiences that we've had here in this whole living area and dining area. That's where you would experience most of what we think is this balance of South America and Africa. The master bathroom is absolutely incredible. The whole openness of it just makes it absolutely fantastic.
This is what's been great about working with Jim, who does traditional design and contemporary design. You know, when we said this needs to appeal to somebody who would be comfortable living in LA or in Miami, he got it immediately. You can look out at the Midtown skyline. You've got a great view of the new buildings in Midtown. It's truly spectacular. When you brush your teeth in the morning, you're looking at a mirror which looks right up West Peachtree. So you're immersed in the outdoor skyline.
We feel very good about their end result. We feel that we were able to accomplish what we wanted, yet Jim was bringing quite a lot of the experience of how do you put it all together, and it was a very good experience.
Another exciting project we're working on here in Midtown Atlanta is Trump Towers Atlanta. Ivanka Trump and Donald Trump obviously are our clients on this project, but Ivanka has been the strong component in our design elements, that we are creating the brand for Trump, but yet it's going to have that Southern hospitality feel to it. We've been able to really understand large-scale projects, large-scale design, and obviously the impact that we have to affect so many people.